back to my channel. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification. I'm so excited to open the Lefant Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Finally, I'm having a robot that will clean my bedroom instead of me. Okay guys, let's unbox. Wow, big box. Wow, so much big stuff. So heavy. Let's do here. Let's keep doing this again. Let's put this aside. This box we don't need anymore. Or do we? Nope, we don't need it. Kids, do not do this with the knife if your parents are not here. Okay? Let's unbox now. Here's the cardboard. Here's the cable. Here's the instructions. Now, here's the charger. And last but not least, the final piece of the vacuum. The vacuum! And here is its cleaner. Now guys, we're gonna unbox. Let's do it. Let's put this aside. So, this is the start pause button. Now, this is the top cover. You can remove it. Here is the cover. Let's put this aside. Now, this is the dustbin. It's a little bit tricky to get in. So, when the vacuum starts, the dust will go into this hole. And if you want to clean inside, you can always touch this part, and when you hear that pop, you can open it. Then you can clean. Also, you can clean this part too. You can remove it and put it back in. Let's close it. Now, this is the filter. If you want to clean it, go from this part where my thumb is pushing up, then remove it. This is where the cover for the filter. Then an extra filter is always added in the box. Now you push the filter in. Now you want the filter facing this side. Now make sure all the spaces in the filter are flat. And you want to push very hard. Here's a tip if you're struggling. push the corners first, then you can push in the rest. See? Much easier. If you push the corners first, you can get it easier. Push that back in. And make sure this is flat so the cover won't get stuck and you won't have any troubles pushing the cover in. Now guys, let's go to the side. Here is the anti-collision sensor. There are 3. This is the 1, 2, and 3. Here's the bumper strip. This will protect the vacuum when it bumps into something. Then this is where the anti-collision sensors come in. It will make the vacuum move in a different place. And if you want to turn it on, here's the power switch over here. Now, we're going to go to the under part. This is the charging contact. This is where the charger and the vacuum will roll into the charger and then touch this 2 part over here. I'm pressing. Here is the driving wheel. You can push it down. Here is the side brush. This is where you put the brush in. It'll spin around to push some dust or dirt into the suction assembly. Here's a universal wheel. Spins like the universe. Here is the anti-drop sensor. It will detect dirt or dust around the vacuum. And there are 3. There's 1 over here, 2, and 3. And also, there's also an extra side brush. Now guys, we're going to set up the charging duck. This is the multifunctional cleaning tool. Let's remove it. See? You can clean it. You can use it to clean the vacuum. Wrong side. And here is the charging duck pins. That's where the charging contact will be on. And here's the cord that we will do. Now let's put this cord into its slot. Now, and make sure guys, you do not do this without your parents. Now let's go to this tiny corner over here. Then you will put this part and make sure you don't touch the metal part. Now lift it and put it in. Now there's gonna be a green light. That means it's gonna be ready to be used. Here's the vacuum. Now we're gonna charge it, but before we charge it, make sure the charging duck pins touch the charging contact. That's the only way it will charge. Now guys, as you see, it's blue, but it's red, and it's blinking red. So that means once that's red, that means it's not charging because it's off. Look, it's off. But when we turn it on and you put it here, it will start blinking blue. Now that means it's charging. Now let's test. 1 press means it will clean, and 1 press again is pause. 2 clicks, 1, 2, it will be purple. And if you will see that means it's gonna find its charger. As you see, it's looking for its charger. It's almost there, bud. Almost there. And as you see, it's charging. Now guys, we're going to scan the QR code and get the apps to control the vacuum. Using your phone by scanning the QR code. Or you can also download Lefant Life on Play Store. Open, then sign in. If you don't have an account, create your account. If you want to add another account, follow the same procedure. Then add device in the Lefant Life apps. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Now it's time to connect your vacuum to your phone using the Lefant Life. Now the vacuum is added to the apps. It's working, now let's test. To share your device control to other people, they must sign up to Lefant Life apps. Then add their account here. Let's test the Lefant apps. It's working! Okay guys, I will show you using screen record apps on how the Lefant apps control the vacuum. Press any of the buttons to control the vacuum. It's working! And also guys, to maintain the performance of your vacuum, always empty the dustbin and clean the parts.